Ladies, welcome back to the 15-minute workout. I am so excited. Today we're going to be working our glutes and legs. Sure to download the free 15-minute guide. It is in my bio so that we can work along together. I would love to know how you're feeling. Please leave me some comments. Let me know how you're feeling after the exercise. Let me know what you would like to see. But we are moving and I'm so excited. And thank you guys for following along for day 3 of this workout. Let's do this. Let's get this workout started with 15 reps of glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for 3 seconds, then slowly lower back down. Donkey kicks left and right leg. Start on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Keeping your knee bent, lift your leg toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower back down, repeat for opposite leg. Fire hydrant 15 reps. Start on all fours, lift your leg out to the side, keeping your knee bent at a 90-degree angle, lower back down. Repeat on the right side. Reverse lunges, 5 to 20 reps. Grab a chair for support if you need extra balance. Stand tall, take a step back with one leg and lower your back knee toward the floor, keeping your front knee at a 90-degree angle. Push through your front heel to return to standing. Alternate legs.